What is message queue and what it is used for? A message queue is a form of asynchronous service-to-service communication used in serverless and microservice architecture. Think of it like a post office. When you send a letter, you don't wait at the mailbox for the recipient to read it and mail a response back. Instead, you drop it off, trust the post office will deliver it, and then go about your day. The recipient picks it up when they are ready. Here is breakdown of how it works and why it is used. How it works. A basic message queue system consists of three primary components: producer, message queue, and the consumer. Producer is the application component that creates a message, data about a task or event, and sends it to the queue. Message queue is a temporary storage buffer that holds messages in the order they arrive, typically first in, first out, or FIFO, until they are processed. Consumer, the application component that connects to the queue server, retrieves the message, and process it. Why use a message queue? In modern software architecture, message queues solve several major distributed system problems. First, decoupling. Without a message queue, component A has to call component B directly. If component B changes its API, goes down, or moves to a new server, component A will break. A message queue acts as an intermediary. Component A only needs to know how to talk to the queue, not who is processing the data on the other side. Asynchronous processing. Some tasks take time. Generating PDF report, resizing an uploaded video, or sending an email blast. Instead of making a user wait for a web page to reload while the server handles these heavy lifting tasks, the web server pushes a message to the queue. Hey, someone needs this PDF generated, and immediately returns a success message to the user. The heavy processing happens in the background. 3. Load smoothing. Traffic spikes happens. If your system suddenly receives 10K requests per second, direct API calls might crash your database or backend services. A message queue acts as a buffer. The incoming requests are safely queued up, and your backend consumers pull and process them at a steady, manageable pace without overwhelming the system. Fault tolerance and resilience. If your backend processing server crashes or undergoes maintenance, messages aren't lost. They safely sit in the queue until the consumer comes back online. Once the consumer recovers, it picks up right where it left off, ensuring high data durability.